see some of the people down there kind of pointing. We got 93916S3. I had to guess, probably pharmaceutical reps. Maybe, you know, that guy over there doing construction, maybe that's like the owner of the construction site or something, maybe a architect or planner. I don't know. Hard to say. You can see that one security guard over there who's just having his smoke break, wants nothing to do with this. Want to do a selfie together?
No, buddy. I'm
sure. Let me give you.
you
Oh,
doing
hey,
a
do
documentary?
one more. Do one more. One more. Let me give you a peace sign so I get a good side.
Yeah.
One more.
You
Come
doing
on.
a documentary?
Oh, I can't disclose. That's kind of personal. Yeah, but I appreciate you.